tables turned. Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are, the end. Now you're just a lesson learned, a slowly fading memory, so I can breathe again. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth but you only fake it.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Everyone loves bows, right? So today our project is going to be this very giant bow DIY dress. This is very easy dress, it's very easy to do and no professional skills required. So yeah, this dress is from summer 2021 collection and was originally priced at $500, but when I DIY'd it costed me around $10, I guess. So yeah, that's quite affordable and it's very easy to make. I have been working on this bow dress for a very long time, as I was trying to simplify the process, so it's very easy for a beginner to make this dress, and this dress is literally very easy. Also guys, now we are a 1K family. 1K is not just the number, it's the hearts, 1K hearts that are for now connected to me. So I'm really grateful to you all. You guys give me the freedom to express myself through fashion art. I just can't thank you enough for that. And also, when you people remake the clothes and DM me on Instagram, that is the greatest feeling for me in the whole world. You guys literally mean a world to me. Thank you so much. I just can't put my feelings into words for now, but you guys really mean a lot to me. Thank you. I read each and every of your comments, and I just can't thank you enough for the love and support you guys have shown to me. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to have such an audience. Thank you so much. I'm very excited for the project, so yeah, let's start. First things first, what we are going to need. So this is a basic bodycon dress. That this is a dress that I'll be using as a base dress for this giant bow dress project. Also, we'll need 3 meters of pink taffeta fabric. So this is all what we need for the project. So this dress is all 3-4 bows layered up. So first we are going to make these layers of bows. For that we need to cut out some strips of fabric for the first, or for the topmost layer. For this first bow we are going to need a strip of fabric. For that, the dimensions are mentioned on the screen. Cut out 2 strips for that. Now layer both the pieces of fabric together, fold it like so, and then sew straight along the edges, leaving a small opening so that we can turn that whole piece to the right side. Once done, we are going to turn it to the right side, and we are going to hand sew the opening. Now comes the turn of second layer of bow. So for that we need to cut out a strip of fabric. The dimensions are mentioned on the screen, and we'll fold that strip in half like so, and we will sew straight along the edges of the 3 sides, and we will leave a small opening just to turn it to the right side. Once done, we will turn that to the right side through that small opening, and in the similar way we will stitch this open part using needle and thread, the similar way we did for the first layer. Once done, we will keep it aside. Now comes the third layer, this one. So this is the third layer. And for this layer, the dimensions, the strip dimensions or the fabric dimensions are mentioned on the screen. um, for this layer we need to hem the raw edges, both top and bottom. For that, just double fold and sew straight along the edges. Now we will assemble our layers of bows on our dress. So first we will be assembling this third layer. First we will be adding this third layer. For that, we will divide the strip of fabric, third layer, in half, and we will do basting stitch here on this side. We will pull together the pleats. Once done, now secure it here on the middle part of dress, and repeat the same process with the other side also. And now we will be flipping this strip to the back side, and we will be do basting stitch here again, and pull together the ruffles, and we will stitch it at the back of our dress. This way we will make this kind of loop, through which you can pass your hands. And now we will add this second layer. So for that, we will do basting stitch on the middle of this fabric. Once you have once you're done with the basting stitches, pull together the ruffles, and it's going to once then it's going to take the shape and form of a bow. Secure it using needle and thread. Now we will prepare this part of this whole dress. So for that, we will cut out a strip of fabric. The dimensions are mentioned on the screen. Fold that fabric in half and sew straight along the edges. Once done, turn it to the right side, and we will now add that. Using needle and thread, secure the bows in place. After that, take the strip that we prepared earlier and sew here in the middle like so, to finish off the bows layer, to finish off the layers of bows. And after that, we will sew here to perform blind stitches wherever you need to secure the bows in place. See, I have done blind stitches here on two sides, so as the bows stays in place from the top, and also I've performed basting stitches on other parts also, so that the bows stay in place and they don't, you know, go like so. According to the design of my dress, I need to separate off the bow for the back part. If I'll add, or if I'll sew that bow into place on the back side, I will be unable to take my dress on and off. So I decided to separate off the bow. You can do or alter it as per your dress requirements. And this is it. So this is it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Kisses until next time. Bye bye, sweet angels. And if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates.